How about at Pure Storage? Top priority for you all in 2025?
Yeah, Luke, we had some great announcements last week at Pure Accelerate, and it's really leaning into this concept of helping our customers go on the path of creating an enterprise data cloud. And what that means is transparency of infrastructure, automation of workloads, integration with external automation workflows. So being very centered around their data to now we can now deliver actual data outcomes. We're no longer talking about boxes and data centers or how we're going to have to grow this over the next 3 to 5 years. It's now a matter of I have this resource available to me. I can now treat this as the public cloud because these data sets, as they're growing at an exponential rate, sometimes the cloud prices it out. It becomes too much to bear from a cost
Hmm.
perspective. So how can we rationalize that? How can we have more transparency and cost efficiency? It's one of the things we're helping customers with. Another part of that is we're focusing a lot with our partners, doing a lot with Red Hat as far as modern virtualization. The things like, as we're talking about AI-driven initiatives, and I say it every day, is guys, we're talking about AI. It's not going to be running on virtual machines. It's running in containers. So let's have a more modernized conversation about how you want to deploy that at scale. Another huge announcement we had is being able to manage data sets that folks, oh, you can't manage this amount of data. Well, we just announced our Exa platform, which is a very exciting high performance computing, but large scale data set model that's designed for many from large scale hyperscalers. So I'm working with folks like Meta and the other large public cloud hyperscalers, all the way down to our largest agencies here in federal to saying, hey, I have the amount of data that would kind of cripple the cloud or cripple some sort of modern data center footprints. I can now manage that easily and simplicity, and most importantly, be predictable with my cost model. So if I'm looking 3 to 5 years out, I can know exactly what my guaranteed growth is. I know I'm not going to have the complexity of infrastructure, but most importantly, I can now every single time have predictability on the outcomes I can drive from every single initiative I have.